to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today I am in Piper's bedroom. This is my daughter Piper. She is 7 months old. And we have Izzy in the back. And yeah, I just want to do a quick update video and do a nursery tour because I just love this nursery. It is woodland themed. So it is basically my dream nursery. I always wanted a woodland themed nursery. I thought I was gonna have a boy when doing a woodland themed, but I had a girl, so I just made it girly, and yeah, I love it. And I just want to share it with you guys because, you know, this is kind of like home decor this channel, so I thought I would show you my real life nursery. So I actually did a speed build on this nursery right before she was born. You guys just didn't know it, but yeah, you can go check that out if you want. But what do I have to tell you? So if you didn't know, I live in England with my husband David and Piper and Izzy and Alfie, and we are actually going to be moving back to America. So I'm not sure when this video is going out, but we are leaving November 19th. So I could still be in England. I could, you know, be in America, but we are moving back to America. David is taking a cruise to get these two over. They're actually, Izzy is small enough to go on a plane, but Alfie is just a tad bit big. So we didn't want to put him under the plane. So that's why we are taking a cruise. And then I'm going to be flying with Piper. Unfortunately, babies are not allowed on this cruise until they are 1 year old. So unfortunately, we have to be apart for a week, which really stinks and it's really sad, but we'll get through it. Yeah, so we're going to be moving back to America. Just crazy things are happening. Yeah, are you excited? And yeah, we had to sell all of our stuff. So this nursery is gonna go bye-bye after basically this week. So I wanted to get this out for you guys and just for me because, you know, this is my first nursery and I decorated it, and this is the one room in our house that is, you know, actually really decorated. So I'm just really proud of it. And yeah, that's about it. Piper is 7 months old. I'll just do a quick little update on Piper. She's 7 months old. She has 2 little bottom teeth now, and she's starting to say dada, which is cute. And she can kind of clap hands. Can you clap hands? Clap hands, yeah! So that is it, guys. I will get into the video now. Have a good day. Let me know what you think of this nursery. I'm basically gonna be doing the same exact nursery when we get to America because all this stuff is from IKEA, and I'm bringing all of her toys, books, decor items, so just gotta buy the furniture, so it's not too bad. And yeah, we will speak to you guys soon and have a nice day. Bye. Okay guys, so here is just a quick overview of her bedroom and then I will get into everything. So here is her little dresser. This is from IKEA. I will list everything, or try to list everything down below. By the way, I don't know if I said it in my intro because I'm pre-filming this. This is a woodland themed. I always wanted a woodland themed for whichever baby we had, if it was a boy or a girl. I always assumed we were gonna have a boy, and just woodland with a boy is so cute. But we had a girl, so I kept with the woodland theme, but did, you know, girly woodland themed. So here's the dresser. We have 6 little woodland themed animals. I got these off Etsy. I will try to link the artist down below, and they're just adorable. I really like how they have little flowers on them, and it just makes it a bit girlier. I believe she is from England because right now, obviously, we're living in England. So not sure if she does international shipping, but probably does because everyone does international shipping. So anyway, got 6 of those right here, and they're just adorable. I stayed cleared of putting pictures above her bed just because it freaks me out having anything next to her head while she's asleep. So we decided to put them here. Here is her little changing mat. Sorry about the shadows. It is a gray day today, and basically everything is getting sold this weekend. So I had to do this now. And in England, it is raining. So here's her changing table. Her mat, it's just pink clouds. I got this off Amazon. Here's a cute little picture of when she was 3 weeks old. Frame is from H&M, and then I just have this little ring set from H&M, and it's just a fox, and then this beautiful lamp, which I'm so sad that I had to sell, but you find them everywhere, so it's not that big of a deal. And then we have a bunch of hair bows. I don't put her in hair bows, you know, when she's just at the house or out and about, because I don't like the imprint that it leaves on her head. I just feel like it hurts her head. So I just put a quick bow on her for pictures, and that's it. But yeah, I have way too many bows, but they're really cheap. They're like 20 for a pack of like 2 pounds for a pack of 20, so it doesn't matter. I'll just show you real quick what I did for our drawer. So here's her changing diaper, and then wipes in here. I do need to get new diapers. And then we did washcloths, and then PJs and stuff like that. And then we did like clothing, which a lot of her clothes are in the wash right now. And then just this one, I really love this one. It is kind of messy right now because, you know, we are moving. So just like bibs, and then burp cloths and things like that. And then these little boots. Oh my gosh, these were like 0 to 3. She wore them once, never again buying shoes for a baby. And then look at these socks. They're for Christmas. Oh my gosh, love them. Oh, and one last purchase for Christmas is this little Santa bib. So cute. So that is that. And then down here is just like miscellaneous stuff. And then we have a little coat with a coat hanger. I think I got this from H&M as well. They have like really cute children's stuff, so check out H&M for child stuff or even home decor. I got this bench, not sure where, but unfortunately we can't bring it with because I don't think it would fit in a suitcase. I mean, you know, I'm gonna try it, but I don't think it will. And then that is a little sound machine that she sleeps with at night, and she loves it. We have her little fox backpack that we got for a baby shower gift, and then a little door stopper. By the way, we have wall decals. They are also from Etsy, and I think they're from Israel, and they are the cutest thing ever. So I'll make sure to show you guys more. And then here is like one of my favorite areas. It's just like her little reading area, and I have way too many books for her. That is actually not even half of them. I have so many. I just love reading to her. Me and David just really enjoy reading to her, and she loves reading with us. Well, not reading, but she loves watching and flipping the pages, so it's adorable. So these are just little shelves from IKEA, and I think they're like picture shelves, but you can use them as a bookshelf. And then this is a little woodland themed animal thing from Etsy, so that's adorable. And then same artist from Etsy from this one that got the other paintings from. And then we have like a little fox, and then a little money jar, and then there is Alfie. That's so cute. And then here are just 2 little things. The cat does not go with the room, but it's adorable. And I got this for Christmas, and it was a plant, and I just failed at watering it. Once I had Piper, the plant like basically died because I couldn't keep up with a plant and a baby. And down here we just have like a little memory box and just a couple trinkets and things like that. And then we have a photo box, a toy, and then there is Piper. She's so cute. That is probably when she was like 4 months old. I haven't updated her pictures just because, you know, we're moving, so there's really no point. Right here is just like a little hamper that I put her clothes in. and then a pillow, and oh my gosh, this hedgehog, let me just put him down. This is from H&M, and how funny is that? Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. And then we have her crib, which I love her crib. We have some more decals, her little sleeping bag that she sleeps with. She doesn't sleep with a blanket just because it makes us nervous, so she sleeps with a sleeping bag. And then her little mobile, which is from Mother Care. So not sure if they still sell it. I got it last year, but I will try to link everything down below. And then here is our last bit of the room. Just this chair's from IKEA. Kind of regret getting it, to be honest, just because it's white, and Alfie and Izzy, they go on the couch or on the sofa or on the chair like every day, and they just kind of got it a little bit dirty, but luckily we can just wash it, so that's what I do. I have a cute little fur rug. That was a really soft when we bought it, and now it's just like gone weird, so that's a shame, but it was so soft when we got it. I just have this huge bunny, which I love this bunny because I would prop her up on it to help her sit, and she would, you know, if she tumbled, she'd just fall back on the bunny. So that was good. Got some more little woodland animals. And then over here, and I love these curtains. I just feel like it brightens up the room, like especially on a day like today. And then last but not least, we have this little toy bag. I am so obsessed with it because it's so woodlandy. It just makes me happy. And then a little blanket bag. So, and then she has a bunch of toys. She's a little spoiled, but that's okay. So let me just do a quick little overview of her room. So yeah, I plan on, you know, making the same room basically in America, because fortunately we have IKEA. So that is awesome. And then I'm bringing everything in a suitcase, like toys, decor, and everything like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you would like to see more of my decorating, and I would love to do that. I really enjoyed doing this. This is definitely like my dream. I always wanted to, you know, make a nursery because it was always like my top decorating dream. I don't know. So yeah, I hope you guys like my nursery, and I will speak to you guys soon. Bye guys.